probably see just a bunch of offcuts to be thrown in the trash. I'm going to show you how to use these to help you work by yourself and save a lot of time. All right, here's our scrap wood. We're working with 2x8s. For our course, you may be 2x6, 2x10, whatever. We want this to be the back and these two to be the top and the bottom. And all we're going to do is screw them together. Because I'm right-handed, I'll turn it around. And these things does not have to be perfect for what we're going to use it for. When you're all done, get that one a little tighter. All we want is something that looks like this. And ideally, you're going to want to make 2 of these. And I'll show you what we're going to use it for. Okay, now we're going to use our little device. I have to do a lot of work by myself, and I try to find ways that I can do that work without asking for help. And this is a way to help hold stringers on a deck by yourself, and it'll save you a lot of time. You won't have to ask for help. Just slide this up where you need it. And the same way on the other side. You just work your stringers in position. And they're being held the right height, and you just screw them in. Just get them on line. That's all there is to it. Hope you find this helpful. Good luck with your projects.